The most famous astronomer of the scientific revolution was Galileo Galilei, the Italian scientist who lived from 1564 to 1642. Galileo constructed his own telescope and used it to make a series of remarkable discoveries that revealed a universe very different from what earlier generations had imagined. With his telescope, Galileo observed that the moon has mountains and craters, much like Earth. He discovered that the moon does not produce its own light, but reflects the light of the sun. He also noted that planets have visible size when viewed through a telescope, unlike distant stars, and that some planets even have moons of their own. Most famously, he found that the sun has spots, demonstrating that celestial bodies were not perfect, smooth, or unchanging, as traditional teachings had claimed. Galileo also made important discoveries about motion here on Earth. He demonstrated that the weight of an object does not affect the speed at which it falls, contradicting the long-accepted ideas of Aristotle. He described the law of inertia, the principle that a body will remain at rest or continue moving in a straight line unless acted upon by an outside force. This insight later became one of the foundations of Newtonian physics. However, Galileo's work brought him into conflict with the Catholic Church. As a devout Catholic himself, he did not intend to challenge the Church's authority, but his discoveries suggested that the universe was not perfect, not unchanging, and not Earth-centered. All ideas that contradicted official Church teachings at the time. Because of this, Galileo was tried for heresy. Under pressure, he formally recanted his views, though legend says that afterward he muttered, "And yet it moves," insisting privately that the truth of his observations could not be denied. Despite his trial, Galileo's discoveries forever changed humanity's understanding of the universe, helping to usher in the modern scientific age.